Hi, this is Michael Tallis with the Tallis team. I'm standing in front of our latest listing, 536 Clardy Place in San Jose. It's a townhome in a small PUD development, only 11 units. So let me turn the camera around and show you the place. It's an end unit coming down to a tree-lined street. A flight of stairs up to the front door. And we're inside. So here, stairs down, going to the living room, kitchen, and everything else. And a flight of stairs up goes to the bedrooms. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. Living room with an access to patio. Wood-burning fireplace. Dining area. Really high ceiling. Here in this area you have 2 stories high ceiling. There is a gallery up there, and now you can see the top. Dining area adjacent to the kitchen. It's a gas range. And country style sink. Most of the windows have plantation shutters. And here in a small corridor, you have half bathroom. And also from here you have access to the garage. Right there. So let's go upstairs. Here from the gallery you can see public area down below. This townhome originally was built as 2 bedrooms, 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath, and one of the previous owners converted it into 3 bedrooms. So this is master suite. And a lot of greenery outside. Closet with organizers. and master bathroom. This one has shower over tub. Down the corridor, we have a hallway bathroom. Double sinks. And a stall shower. We also have here in the corridor kind of storage walk-in closet. And continuing, we have two more bedrooms. Bedroom number 2. Also closet with organizers. And finally, bedroom number 3. And note that all bedrooms have plantation shutters if you want to be extra dark and extra quiet. Now let's check the patio. It is very private, surrounded by trees and very low maintenance. This is artificial sod. This property is currently available for sale. If you have any questions about this home or any other homes in the Bay Area, my contact information is in the description of this video. Hope to see you at my open house. Thank you.